In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Calendly. To get started, log into your Calendly account. If this is your first time using the platform, you may be prompted to finish setting up your profile. Take a moment to complete your account setup and connect your calendar. This step is important because Calendly checks your connected calendar to avoid double booking and to show only the times you're actually available. Once your account is ready, look to the left-hand menu and click Event Types. This is where you'll manage the kinds of meetings people can book with you. You can either select an existing event type if you already have one created, or click Create to make a new event from scratch. When setting up your event type, enter the event name, choose the duration, and fill in the location details. The event name should be clear and easy for invitees to understand. The duration should match the amount of time you want to reserve, and the location can be a phone call, video meeting, or in-person meeting depending on how you plan to meet. Next, configure your availability for the event. This tells Calendly when people are allowed to book time with you. Be thoughtful here, since your availability settings help control your schedule and make the booking experience smoother for everyone involved. After that, save the event type. Once it's saved, click Share on that event type. Calendly will give you a scheduling link that you can copy and send to invitees. This link is what people will use to access your booking page. Now, send the scheduling link to the people you want to invite. When they open it, they'll be able to choose an available date and time directly from your booking page. This removes the usual back and forth of trying to find a time that works. As bookings come in, you can review your meetings from the Calendly dashboard. This gives you a clear overview of what's been scheduled and helps you stay organized. If plans change, you can also manage, reschedule, or cancel meetings as needed right from the platform. Finally, take advantage of workflows to automate reminders and follow-up messages. This is especially useful if you want to reduce no-shows and keep communication consistent without having to send every message manually. That's how to use Calendly to create events, share your schedule, and manage bookings more efficiently. Thanks for watching.